college basketball. So, first year, that was 2019, nasama ako sa training pool ng Team A. And it was a great experience. I got to play and train alongside sila Dirty, yung Nieto Brothers, sila SJ. It's a great experience working with those guys. Pero nakat din ako. Tapos, sa same year, yun, tumama na yung pandemic. Kaya, medyo pangit yung timing. So, when the pandemic ended, pa-fourth year na ako. So, yeah, I didn't really get to play sa Team A. So, mainly Team B ako. Tapos, nung senior year ko, I got to play 3-on-3 sa Ateneo under Coach Sandro.